Great, guys. Wow. Now, the next, like I said in the last video, we'll be building our web pages. I've explained the flow of our sales funnel, right? And I said that the sales funnel is that journey you take your prospects, is the path you take them to they become a paying customer. You understand? And what makes this possible is your web pages. You understand? From when they see your site, so when they opt in for your products, till when they opt in for your service, so they open their wallet, they pay for whatever you offering them. This process is the funnel, right? Now, and what makes this possible are the pages, the web pages, because you pick them from one page to another, to another, to another, to another, till you achieve your objective, right? Good. Now, that is what we want to be doing now. Good. We're going to start from the landing page, where they're going to be landed after probably you've run your ad, either Facebook, Twitter, or Google or Instagram ad, where they're going to land. Probably your sales page or your squeeze page or your landing page. I'm going to tell you all of this. Now from there, after they've opted in of the place order for your products, how to create your thank you page. I've told you, I give you this structure of sales funnel. We have different types of sales funnel. Like I said, we have different types of sales funnel. You can have double opt-in, you can have straight off direct to cards funnel, and so on. I said that in the previous video. So we're going to be creating those pieces that make up for our e-commerce funnel, right? So we'll be using Tribe Architect. That's the software that we installed on our WordPress site earlier. So we're going to be seeing how we use it and how we use this software to create an amazing, professional looking sales page, right? So let's dive in. But before then, I also said that when you are building your funnel, you need to create your environment down. And I explain what I mean by that. I said you have to create the folder that you put in those things that you'll be needing. Like you want to go to farm, you need probably a bag that you're going to put your hacks, everything that you'll be needing. So you need to prepare that so that you won't spend much time unnecessarily. Do you get my point now? Now, what are those things that you need to create the pages? Normally, you need that product picture, right? You need that your content, right? Your sales content, right? Your copies, we call it copies, right? Now, you need a copy, you need the image, you need a video if you'll be using a video in your sales pitch. You need your copy, you need your image, you need a video, you need probably an API, you need your payment button, you need all those things. So we need to put all this in a particular folder, right? So let me show you one so that you can see what I'm talking about. So let me come to this folder. I created a folder earlier called call the project's name, right? David Store project. I show you in the last video, in our previous video rather. All right, this is what I'm talking about. As you can see, right? As you can see, I have a document Then I have a folder called Aviv. So everything that I need for that particular product, I have it here. The testimonials, the pictures of the products, the copies of the products, my heavy ads, everything I put it there so that it will make my funnel creation faster. I think you get my point now, right? Good. So let's dive in. Right. So this is the sample of what we're going to be building. So this is a sales page. Now, what happens with this funnel is that you, from our ad, Facebook, Instagram ad, the prospect land on this page. When the prospect land on this page, it fill a form. It read through the content. We're not going to talk about writing a content here. So I'll just give you a simple format that you can use to help you with your copies. You get it. So and I'm going to be sharing also the format that you used and a kind of a document, how to write a good pre-sale content or sampler content, or your sales page, how to write a good sales page for your physical products. Because writing a sales page for physical product is very easy. You understand? It's very, very easy. You don't need much thing to write. What people want to see is what's the benefit of this, if I buy this, is this original, all those things. Those are objections. You just need to tackle it while you're writing your sales page, right? Look at this. You can see it, right? So this is what we're going to be designing for now. But before we start designing, let me quickly introduce you to Thrive Architect environment. Right. So let's go. Great. Now, to access your Thrive Architect, right? Look at this at the left hand side. You come to pages. You need to first create the pages that you'll be needing to work on. So we first create a page. So let me come here and add new page. So I'm going to call that page wristwatch offer. That's the name of the page, because what I'm going to be promoting on that page is wristwatch. Do you get it? So I'm going to call it wristwatch offer. So it's loading up. It's loading up now. It's loading up. Okay. So that's finished loading. That's finished loading. So I'm going to call it wristwatch offer. So that's what I'm going to call it. So I will save it and publish. I'll click publish 2 times. So it's saved and it published. You get it? Now here at the top of the screen, you will see Launch Thrive Architect. Thrive Architect is a page builder. I want to use this Thrive Architect to build our sales page for this offer. So we'll click on Launch Thrive Architect. Now it's launching Thrive Architect now. So it has loaded up Thrive Architect. So this is how it looks, right? So as soon as you launch the Thrive Architect, launch with Thrive Architect, it prompts you to this environment because the new is a new installation. You get it? So it gives you 2 options: the pre-built landing page and a normal page. So when you are building your funnels, you can use a pre-built landing page. It makes your work faster. You understand? And if it is a normal page is building a website, right? A website, as in a website kind of look. But what we want to do is build a landing page, build our sales page, right? We can discard this. You get it? We can as well use it. It depends on how you want it. But let me just walk you through it. Then before we go to, because that's our objective, let me walk you through it. So here, let's first launch standalone pre-built landing page. If you click on this, it gives you a lot of pre-built pages, right? It says smart landing page, hydrogen, so many, 15 of this, 13 of this. So you can just flip through it. Anyone you like the template, you can click on it and make use of it, right? So let me just pick one, because this is not actually what we want to do, but I just want you to get familiar with the environment, right? So if you take for instance this one, smart consultants, let's pick this one. So it just give me this. So if I click apply, it's loaded all the pre-built content for me. It's loaded it up. It's loading it up. It's loading it up. So look at it. Look at it. So it's coming up. So this make is a template that just edits the text, the images, anyone you don't like, you click on and you edit it. It's giving me kind of self-instruction. So you can edit this if you like it. What you just need to do, take time to take service you're offering. So you can put the service you're offering here, call for consulting. Basically this one is meant for consultancy service, about you, recommending testimonials. So this is not what we really need. We need a sales page, right? So now let's leave this one for now. If you come to the right hand side here, you see this plus is the element that controls all these contents that you are seeing: the text, the image, the button, the logos, everything here. This is where it's being controlled. So if you need a text now, you can drag this, click and drag this, it will come there, and you can put whatever content that you want there. You can put it there. Look at that. Post it and it's here. Do you get it now? So if you need image, you can just drag, come here, you put your image. So you locate the image, you'll have probably upload the image, come here to upload the image, locate the get the location of the image you want to upload. Say this is the image, then click on this. Then you select this image and put it there. All right, so that's how to put your image. You drag it to where you want it. We'll be seeing how we do this. I'm just trying to introduce you to the elements. Also, if you need a button, let's say pay now button, subscribe now button, any button you want to put, you click on this and drag it here. You can see. Then you can change the text here. Just type pay now. You get it. So pay now. You can make it bolder. If you check the left hand side, you will see the size. You can increase the size of the text. See, can increase the size of the text. You can as well bold the text. Click here, you see the bold, undo it, select all, bold, right? So the text color as well, you can change it. The button as well, you can change it. Just click the button, it gives you, this is the color of the button. You can choose the template color. I don't want the template color because we are using the template, that's why it's giving you this. But if you don't want to use the template, it won't flag all this for you. So just click on that. Okay, I can change the color here by moving the palette. Okay, so this is it, how to change this. You can as well increase the button, width. Look at that, you can increase the button width. You can increase the button width. Now if where you want this one, if they click on this, where you want them to go, you can as well, if you click on the button down here, you will see target URL. So you put the URL of where you want your prospect to go after clicking that link. We're going to talk about it while we're linking our funnels, while we're linking our pages together. Don't forget, I'm just introducing you to all those elements you can use to format your pages. Column. This is column. Column is when you, like a testimonial, that you want to have different columns like this. Say you want to put an image here. Just come here, drag an image icon element there. Then you can upload the image you want to put there. Locate the image. Let's say this is what we want to put there. You click on it, then you click on insert, right? You click on it, select it, insert. So it comes here directly, right? So here as well, you can as well put a text. Probably you want to write something there. You click and you put it there. Thus, you know, whatever you want to put, just type it there, products, right? So that's it. Here also you can put if it is the image that you want, you can put the image, insert it, see where the image is coming, so I can drag it back to where I want it. So you can just drag. Oh. So here, this is where I want it, so I put it there, right? You now see how to use it, right? Now this column is the one they use here, you get it? So this column that we picked there, this one is the one they use here. So that's what you use that for. The background sectioning, you use background sectioning to structure your page from scratch. Content, we'll be using all this in creating the pages. Don't worry about that. What we're just doing now is introducing ourselves to the entire stuffs that are available here. If I need a video, so what I will do is to pick this element and take it to where I want it. Let's say after this button, I want my video here. So it's going to tell me to put the URL of my video. So let me go and look for a video that we use for this site. I'll look for a video since we have a video here. We have a video here. All right, let me look for the video. I will come here. I've captured the video is in YouTube. I'll click here and put the video here. So I save it. So anytime you do something, make sure you save. So let me just go to YouTube. Let me go to YouTube and let me just go to YouTube and copy a video. Let me go to YouTube and copy the video. Alright, I've captured the video from YouTube, so I put it here. So I save it. So when I save it, the video comes in right here. You can see it. Right. Look at it. The Last Man Thriller. That was the name of the video. Right, you can see it. The Last Man Thriller. So so that's that, how to put a video there. And what other element that will be using? I guess we're gonna be using a testimonial. You can copy it as well, testimonial. Put your testimonial under the video trailers. Let's see. Okay, so your testimonial, you can get testimonial templates. So it look like this. You can as well design it yourself. You get it? So the testimonial, you can have testimonial that look like this. If you want that, if you don't want that, you can change that testimonial. You get it now. Just change all this, change the picture. To change that picture, you see it here. Go and look for the picture that you want. Click here to replace. Let's say this is the picture you want to use. Insert. So it changed. You get it. You see. So this one, so you can as well do the same thing. Replace image. Let's say this is the image you want to use. So you can see it, right? So this is how to change those pictures there, right? So let's say this is it. Right, good. So that's that about all these elements, right? So that's that about that. Majorly you will be using this element, and also this particular change template, because I'll be giving you a pre-designed template that will help you come up with your sales funnel, your e-commerce sales funnel fast as possible. So what you just need to do is just to edit the contents, replace it with your own product, then with your own sales copy. You understand now? So if I've sent that to you, how to install it, I'm going to as well show you, because after we've created from scratch, then I'll as well show you how to use a template that you designed that I'll be giving you. You'll understand it now. So that's that about the introductory part to Thrive Architect. The next thing we'll be talking about is how to create our first page, which is the sales page for the wristwatch products. Now let me show you something. I've already drafted out my sales page for that project. I've drafted up all those things that I need, that I told you about. I've write my copy, I've gotten the images, everything. I've put them inside the folder You know, it's a good practice to do that. It makes your work very easy and fast. Do you get it now? So as you can see here that I have a folder here that I've created for the wristwatch. Look at that. This is it here. I call it wristwatch. So I open it. You can see the images that I'm going to be using. Also my copy. I also have my copy saved right there. Do you understand it now? So I don't need to be racking my brain or doing try and error before I come up with my sales page. You get it? With my sales page, I don't need to be looking for images to use, content to use before I can come up with my profitable sales content. You understand? So like I said, so as you can see, it's there, right? Look at it. Sorry. Okay, look at this. I call it Ember month promo. So for my wristwatch. So this is what I'm going to be using as my sales content. So thank you so much. We'll be meeting in the next video, which I'm going to be showing you how to craft your sales page with the sales copy, with all what you need to come up with the sales page before we now linking it up to other form and so on and so forth. Thank you so much. So we meet in the next video. Bye bye.